Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Solik, and in today's news we have Thunder Spell Effect Animations by Pimin, a music pack of 4 ambient tracks by Joshua McLean. In plugin releases for today we have an MV plugin by Awaya Matana that allows us to set any text as a preset and then call it in show text using a control character. An MV and MZ plugin by Shiguren that can change this event in set movement route to mean any other event, and it also allows reflecting a party member on another event. Next we have 4 new plugins by Toria Kontan, an MV and MZ plugin that can reverse switches, so on becomes off and off becomes on. An MZ plugin that displays scrolling parallax background or foreground on title screen. An MZ plugin that can change the direction of shake effect. And another MZ plugin that expands the scope of targets for skills and items. Tilesets of trees, forest and fantasy interior by Ellenor. Solaria Cave Tileset Pack by Jamie Brownhill. And lastly, a pixel art of MZ-chan by ronaldbabe. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.